Hello. Good morning. Good morning, Gabriel. The 100% guarantee, right? Well, yeah. The giveaway was won by Nimantha, and he was here on the stream yesterday, so he's the winner. I put his name on Twitter too, but he was here on the stream. Actually, it's Trading Star, one of the viewers. Naomi. Good morning, Naomi. Green, hello there. Good morning, Robert. How's it going? How's it going? All right. Interesting day again. Yesterday, look at the range on NQ here. 500 points. Interesting. And look at the Asia range here. Let's just see this through here. So market open. Well, it was ranging in 50 points. TLA trader, welcome. Welcome, welcome. Okay, we have an Asia high up there, and look at these higher lows. And we have a 20K level down there, and I was watching this yesterday in the PM session. It didn't make it down there. Look at that. Not even the mini or the micro. It missed it with like 2 points and 3 ticks. Look at this. And also on the mini, it was very close. Very, very, very close. Didn't go down there. So let's just keep an eye on for that too. Who knows? It's a nice round number. Wasn't able to retest it. So anyway, we don't have any news. Stop loss hunter. Good morning. Good morning. I would say this. I would call the Asia high. Let's see, 219.50. Yeah. Obviously, we have another one here. We have a new day opening gap too. I'm not gonna put it there yet, or should I? Let's put it there, but let's just put it there. This was, I mean, it's gonna be somewhere here. New day opening gap, and another here. New day opening gap high. So this would be new day opening gap low, new day opening gap high, and that's it. That's what we're looking at. Oh yeah, it was taken. Exactly. You called it to the tick. You were absolutely on point. Exactly. Yeah, 11:30. Yeah, so the only thing that's left untouched is the 20K level. So it was very close and it bounced up. And I guess a lot of people got squeezed from their shorts here. And you know, lots of stop losses has been taken on this squeeze. Everybody wanted to go short by the end of the market hours, and instead of that, it just went up there. Horizon Trades, good morning. Hello. By the way, I might gonna have to go away for like 10 or 15 minutes. I don't know. It might gonna happen just around the London Open. Not sure. But I'm gonna keep the stream open. But you know, I might gonna have to leave. I cannot do anything about it. Long open, yeah. Stream open. Yeah, exactly. Hey, Beanie Player, good to see you. And I'm too tired to stay up for that from this overnight, yeah. At accumulation, manipulation, distribution around 11:30. So that's when it's happening. So do you think this could be the manipulation? I'm just curious. Ended the day early, I hope in profit. I really hope. Beanie Player, I really hope so. I'm still a little bit scared to jump into a long position, but I kind of like this area here. The 1 minute actually shifted. What if I would jump into a long position here to sweep the highs? That would be really something. But which account should I do this with? Maybe on a new Apex account? I don't know. Or a Bully? Not sure. The Pro account? I don't know. No, not that. I'm looking for which account to trade this morning. I might even have to buy an account. I might even have to buy an account. Let me see. Okay, we have it. It seems like it's going up. It seemed like it's going up. All right, never mind. I'm not gonna do a trade on that. Oh, thank you. All right, Beanie Play. Oh, in profit. Okay. Yeah. Go study. Thank you for dropping in. Thank you. Have a good one, Beanie Player. The biggest one. No, no. Methodical man. Did they give you any accounts? No. I wish I would know his login information so I can, you know, full port his accounts. By the time he wakes up, he would be positively surprised. Impeccable trading only. Hello, good morning, welcome. And Natasha is here. Good morning. Good morning, Natasha. All right. So there was no entry for me on this move. It just suddenly started to move. No pullback, nothing. It's not my thing right here. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, nice haircut. Thank you. I was at the barber shop yesterday. Yeah. Bao, hello. Good morning. Yes, I mean, earlier a little bit, maybe. I'm not sure. Is there going to be some news? Let's see. Oh, we have the non-farm payroll. I'm not trading that. I'm not going to trade that. That's for sure. So, I mean, I don't see the point to trade this because obviously the market is going to be super quiet like an hour before the news release. So, like from 7:30 or 8 a.m. Obviously, I mean, I'm never put a trade, especially on an NFP day. And after NFP comes out, it's just, you know, this is what NFP gonna do. Like, it's just gonna wiggle around. That's it. At the news release, and when the market opens up, well, obviously we will see the big moves, whatever it's gonna be. But I don't see the point trading the NFP news, even like after the news release. You know, I don't think it's worth it. Heck yeah, fresh cut, yeah. So I don't think I'm gonna stream that because I would just be sitting at the screen and watching paint dry until the 9:30 open. Even if it moves a little bit, I don't want to be in that move until the stock exchange opens and we see some kind of a direction. I don't think I want to be in a trade. So if I can full port his accounts, why not? Yeah, kill it. Yeah, so it's gonna be a little bit sideways maybe. Oh, there's gonna be Powell. Looking good. All right, thank you. Thank you. Michael, hello. No risk, yeah, Natasha. So gotta be careful, and gotta think twice of how you want to trade your funded accounts on a day like this. All right, because it can be tricky. Not the news release, the AM session, also the PM session, but mostly the AM session. So it can be tricky. So be careful with that. Just be careful. So as I said earlier, I'm gonna say it again since we're getting more people. I might gonna have to leave for 15 to 20 minutes. I have to run an errand quickly with car, and I'm gonna keep the stream open, but I'm not gonna close the stream. But I'll be away for like 15 to 20 minutes ish. And hopefully, I mean, because it might gonna be around the London Open, unfortunately, but I cannot do anything about it. It's family stuff again, but it's I have to take care of it. And if I have the phone call, I might have to run a quick errand. But I'm gonna keep the stream open just to see how the kill zone ends up. Maybe I can have some more evals getting to funded. Exactly. You guys can talk BS, whatever. Oh yeah, why not? AI Tom is gonna take over. Oh, maybe I can do that. Yeah, maybe I can do that. No, it's not that. Where is that? So here it is. And where is that guy? I put it here last time. Oh, here it is. I'm gonna hand it over to this guy. So he's gonna be here. And I'll be away. All right. I don't know. I don't know why he's bold, but that's the one you get. That's the one you will get. Until I'm away. But I'm gonna have a message. I already have the message there. Where is it? Here's the message. So if I have to go away, this is the one. Weave up kiss. Where's the weave up? VWAP. 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 We. Oh, look at that. Okay. Where's the shift? There's no liquidity taken on this. That's the problem. I have to reconnect to Apex. Apex. We like it. We like Apex. Another one. Which one? I don't know. There are some good photos of me when I was a soldier. I showed you guys these pictures. From like 20 years ago. There you go. I'm gonna put on this picture. NATO reaction forces. Back when I was like a complete idiot. It's not AI picture, it's real. It's a real picture. Me in Africa. Here's the badge. NATO reaction forces. That was it. It says Sabo, but you don't see the full name here. And here's my rank. You can see it, but anyway. And here's the pistol. Oh my god. And here's the AK-47. Nice. Looking good. And at least 20 kilograms lighter. Badass. I think I have another one somewhere. Where is it? I don't even know. No, it's not me. I think I have one with the helmet and the full oh yeah, here it is. I have the complete baby face. That's what they called me, by the way. No joke, no troll. I was called baby face. Here's my face. There you go. Baby face. They called me, hello baby face. What's going on? There you go. Baby face. Yeah, of course. AK-47. Yeah, that's what we were having there. So here's babyface Tom Sabo. Hello. Yeah, it happened. I can't even believe that, but it's happened. Why AK-47? Well, that's the Hungarian military's standard rifle is the AK-47, and we also have a pistol, but I think it was a P9 RC, but this is the standard military pistol. All I see is 100% start for sending it. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, the Hungarian military standard rifle is the AK-47. Yeah, Well, the good thing in the AK, and it's not just in the movies, it's reality. You can put the AK under the ground for 2 years, and after 2 years, you just dig it out, and you can shoot with it. No issue. You can shoot with the AK in the worst conditions. Same with water. Yeah. The bias right now, I would like to go short, to be honest, and I'm gonna tell you exactly why. I would like to go short. I would like to see this falling lower. We didn't made it down there. Did not make it down there to the 20,000 level. Missed it with a few ticks. I think it could be a tricky one. Let me get this weave up off here. Not that I don't like it, but yeah, it's better now. So I like to see it go down further. I think it's a tricky one right now. We have an Asia high, which is quite close. I'm not gonna go long because it's a little bit sloppy here. I think it might just gonna go lower. So looking for levels, and here we have liquidity on those higher lows. It's no confirmation yet, Matthew. I need some kind of a structure being shifted to the downside with the displacement. You know, I need some strong move or at least an inversion gap. This is not enough. This is not out. It might just gonna grind up the stairs. So I need some clean move. Whoa! Oh my God! I can't say the name, but thank you for the subscription. I mean, I can't read these letters, but thank you so much for subscribing. Welcome to the channel. The V bottom support. It's hard to say. I wouldn't say so. I don't see anything here. Not even the 5-minute. No fair value gaps that are important here. Maybe higher. And there's nothing even on the downside on the 5-minute chart. The 50-minute the same. Nothing. There's one fair value gap that could be interesting here. I'm gonna put a buy side liquidity 232. So that's all. But I do think, in my personal opinion, obviously not financial advice, that there is liquidity below 20K. But until I don't see a proper shift to the downside, I'm not gonna jump in to anything. And the issue is that we did not take any liquid. I would be much more happier with the short if first we would get up there, sweep those highs, and then go lower. I would prefer that much more. Niglet, hey, what's up? 190, 200. Could see the top of this overnight range, maybe. We'll see. I don't know. Just waiting. Nothing is moving. I wish I could. I mean, let's check on gold. I haven't checked on gold. Let me remove these stuff from yesterday. Where's yesterday midnight level? Here. Previous day low. We have a previous day high. Okay. Okay, I like it. Okay, nothing is moving on gold. Gold is also like pretty much gapped out. Look at all these gaps. It took some liquidity, yes. Maybe it's gonna do. Looks good for a short, by the way. We have some levels here that can be shifted to the downside, but I don't see anything else. NQ taking it higher, back to the new day opening gap, maybe. So, oh, we have to do a joint stream. We have to make a joint stream. We'll do that. I hope. I would love to do a stream with Nutty Bar, but he's now moved into the big leagues. You know, he's with the big boys now. He moved up. He's with the big leagues. You know, he's not even doing a joint stream with Methodical Man. So, what can I do? He's now with the big boys. I mean, I used to watch him, and I still sometimes tune into his stream, but I don't think that he pretty much follows what's going on around in my circles. And I think Methodical Man was maybe he was messaging with him multiple. I don't know. Maybe he knows him better, but I think Methodical Man told me that he's not really doing joint streams. I mean, Nutty Bar. So anyway. Oh, definitely. Definitely, Natasha. If you don't know my email, here's my email, but it's in the description of the channel as well. Send me a message, and I can take you up to Discord and or whatever platform we can chat. You can do Zoom, Discord, whatever. Awesome. Awesome. Who's for real? Is he for real? Am I for real? Of course. or No Wonder Why, aka Natasha. I mean, I hope she will show us some good insights. I'm always glad to learn from you know, successful traders. Let's see. Oh, all right. Oh, you mean her? She's a lady. Well, yo, I get it. I get it. All right. All right. Let's go. Well, at this point, as I said, I'm only just waiting here. If we should stay up until 3 for a short. On gold. I don't know, man. It looks tempting, maybe. I mean, now it looks absolutely good. Look at that. We have a small structure shift. It actually looks good. I might even take it. I entered the gold short on an evaluation account, so don't worry. I entered the short on gold on an eval just now. Nothing fancy, so it's just an evaluation account, right? So where is it? Not this one. Maybe this one. Yeah, this is the one. So here's my gold trade based on the 1 minute chart, by the way, but this is the 5 minute for now. But this is the gold short. But I'm watching NQ. I'm also trading gold because I told this to you guys many times that I want to trade with CFDs, CFD prop firm, and mostly with gold there. And it seems like it's gonna be the fivers, or well, I don't know. I was thinking about funded next too, but I'm leaning towards to fivers.com, but I'll see. I already have an account with Fivers, a small one. I think it's a 5K account. Don't worry, it's just to test the spreads and the execution and stuff. Badmouse says, Tom, if you feel lonely, I can do a stream with you as a fellow European. Awesome. I mean, yeah. I'm by the way, I do feel lonely many times. Yeah. Because this is a lonely job to do. It's just, what can I say? The top 3 prop firms right now, currently Take Profit Trader is on the top, then MyFundedFutures, then I would say Bulenox, but I do like Apex too. I'm building up more funded accounts now with Apex, and I'm also working with Tick Trader. So from the top, the bottom right now, it's Take Profit Trader. I just passed the other test account yesterday, so now I should be having 2 funded accounts, and I already had 1. So I can say now that finally took payouts from Take Profit Trader, but MyFundedFutures for second. And again, I know it sounds weird, but Bulenox is also up there because they just pay, no questions asked. So Dark Cloud is laughing at me. I don't know why. It's a lonely business, yeah. And we'll call it before we go to sleep. Oh, can you do that, Admirals? Oh my, that would be so good. A virtual hug. Oh, that would be so nice. Yeah. By the way, I think it has to do something, for example, with these hedge funds, when traders are, there's small groups of traders. The television series or HBO series Billions. Now, the creators, I was watching a report with the creators, and they said they got a lot of ideas from real hedge funds where they told them how the traders are working. And they said they choose small groups of traders and divide them for clicks, because a small group of traders can have different ideas, everybody, and then they can make a joint decision, of what kind of direction should they take for the day or whatever, these day traders. And so it has some logic in it, Anyway, so it's always good to be having a trading buddy. No, I don't really trade that Trev Beats. I'm not really trading that strategy. That doesn't mean it's not good or anything. It's just not my style. But yeah. Asia printing. Loneliness equals profitability? Sometimes, yes. I gotta say that too, like when I get distracted, and it's also interesting because me here streaming and chatting and typing and all that such, sometimes sometimes I miss some entries. I miss a good entry for just maybe I'm looking for 10 points or 15 points, and while I'm talking or just looking at the chat or whatever, I just miss the move, especially in New York session. That happens. So being lonely and just focus on the chart, whatever, it can help you with being more profitable. I'm not sure, but I like being here, right? Building up the channel here and the community. I'm super glad about everybody who subscribed and watching, and grateful to everybody. This is also another business that I'm trying to do here. And by the way, I'm saying I'm also looking to do more content on the YouTube channel. I said it last year, I know, but now I'm investing to mobile device and some video devices like microphones, stuff like that. I think I want to do some more vlogs and content for YouTube, not just the streams. Obviously, I like to do that. The only issue is I'm very bad in editing the videos. I'm really bad at it. So I think I'm out from the gold position. Yeah, I'm out. So I'm very bad in editing videos. But the problem is I already have like dozens of messages from people who said they would edit my videos. The problem is it's great and I appreciate it, but the problem is I have like a script in my head that what I would like to see, and I'm afraid that it might not be the thing that I'm looking for, and I think it would cost much more money and energy and time until I explain what I would like to see in the video. But I don't know. I'm not sure. You're long? Well, yeah, my trade was absolutely destroyed on gold. Only eval. Yeah, it could have been liquidity. Now, look at this. It could be a possible short. I might even enter. This could be an inversion setup, which is not particularly my kind of setup. But we'll see. Should I jump into a short with 2 micros here? I don't know. Not sure. Not sure. Haven't decided yet. Maybe I should have. Should have. That was a nice inversion there. And now it seems like it's just tanking. Oh, I see. It helped me. Okay. As a break from banging on about trades. Okay. Well, that's good. You need support, you know. OG Beats, what up? Hey. Just my style. What thing is that with the higher time? Oh, this is called Power of 3. So you type it in. It's a free indicator called Power of 3. HDF Power of 3. From 2 degrees. It has a lot of users already. If you double click on it, you can set it to go with the daily chart or whichever you would like to go with. But the main thing is I use the New York midnight level. That's what I use. New York midnight level. Still down, but these are, yeah. I'm not comfortable right now entering. Matthew is short. All right. Yeah, silent streaming now. Let's go. Silent streaming. Bad Mouse is silent streaming. Ba-da-ba, ba-da-ba. Ba-da-dum, 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 ba-dum-bum-bum. Ba-da-dum, ba-da-dum, da-da-da-dum. What is going on? Hold on. Let me check my stuff here. Okay, so back to that gap. I took a short on an eval. I don't have high hopes for this. So at the rejection, that it nicely rejected from the gap. So I'm just using a tight stop on this. Where is it? No, it's not it. Which one is it? Oh, here. So I'm just looking for it to break lower, but I'm using this tight stop because if it goes like 140, well, maybe I'm gonna give a little bit more room to it. I feel like it wants to reprice higher, so I'm just gonna cut the trade if it goes. It's just an eval. Oh, the funny indicator. Then you can add 3 candles. Oh, okay. Raphael, good morning. And do you know if you are allowed to trade the news like later than FB with TickTickTrader? With later you can. With later, you know, just make sure not to have open positions at the news release. But you know, After that, you can trade. All right, it's just not gonna work out. All right, I'm cutting this. So after that, you can trade. Yes. Exactly. Yeah, Martin. I'm gonna check that out maybe later. Greg, what's up? Greg is in the house. HDF candle from for the indicator. Which power of 3? HDF. This one. From 2 degrees. That's the one I'm having on. HDF power of 3 from 2 degrees. Yeah, no problem. You have very high hopes? I'm gonna actually delete this. Okay. So the main thing is, don't do anything crazy because you're gonna find out. I love this video. I think many of you seen it already, but I just have to show it again because I think it's too good to be left here.
All right, today we're going to talk about how we can find out and how much we can find out and what it takes to get there. So first we have to decide how much do we want to find out. So let's say in this case, I want to find out at a level of 7. Okay, so I find that level on my graph and I come horizontally to my gradient line. Where it intersects with my gradient line, I'm going to come straight down to where it intersects with my fuck around line. That there is going to tell me how much I have to fuck around to find out what I need to find out.
Hey, Dark Cloud. Oh my God, thank you for the dono. You're the man. Thank you so much for the $10 donation. You're the man. Oh, that's
Tom, thank you for being here.
All right. You shouldn't have. But hey, I'm going to have a good lunch again. So this video, thank you again, Dark Cloud.
There is going to tell me how much I have to fuck around to find out what I need to find out. See, as you can see, the more you fuck around, the more you're going to find out. And also, if you stay down here and you never fuck around, you'll never find out. So I hope this lesson is helpful.
Exactly. So the more you F around, the more you find out. So if you want to F around NFP, the more you're gonna find out. I just love this logic. You know, I just really love this. So it's very simple. You can do whatever you want with NFP. You can F around and you're gonna find it out. That's for sure. 3K up tonight, Dark Cloud. Congratulations, man. 3K profit. Seek and destroy until NFP could go. Yokozuna, hello, welcome. Welcome, welcome. All right, thank you so much again, Dark Cloud. By the way, I'm not sure, but I think the 91% at Bulenox is ending tonight. There's no sign on the website that it's going to be extended. After tonight, it's going to go to 83%. So 91% ends tonight, midnight, Friday, 23:59 p.m. Just, you know, saying that then it goes to 83%. Just saying. With Bulenox. if you want to F around to find out, you can do that with Bulenox if you want to F around to find out. Can't trade NFP unfunded? No, unfunded you can't. I mean you can, but after the NFP, you know, when the news goes away, I think they have a 1 or 2 minute. So 1 minute before, 1 minute after. But just to make sure, if I were you, if you want to trade it, I'm not gonna trade it. 2 minute before, 2 minute after. Just make sure to have a 4 to 5 minute window overall, and then you can do whatever. So that's the rule with the take profit trader. But the news release you cannot. I think that's it. Yeah. Ali, what's up? When are you forced to go to Pro Plus? You have to take out $10,000. No, you cannot stay on the Pro. And that's what I like in Take Profit Trader. They're pushing anyone who makes $10,000 to a live account. No option to stay on a Pro account. I mean, I don't know. For example, if you have like 5 Pro accounts, are they doing the same as TopStep, that they're reducing you to 1 account? That is something I still don't know, and I will try to find it out. Maybe I will write them a support ticket or something. Maybe I'm gonna chat with them. But 10,000 after $10,000 withdrawal, you know. Oh, hold on, I have to take this phone call. All right, so I told you guys I have to leave for 15 to 20 minutes. I'm sorry, but I'll be back. I'm gonna keep the stream open, and I'll be back as soon as possible. All right. We're gonna do that in New York. Okay, I'm gonna be back in 15 to 20 minutes. This is the time. I have to do an errand. Don't go anywhere, please. But I have to go. I'll be back in about, hopefully in 20 minutes I can get back. All right, thank you. Thank you. Don't talk too much bad stuff about me while I'm gone. All right. All right. I'm gonna leave the screen like this. I'll be right back as soon as possible. Yes, I have returned. All right, what's happening? What is happening? So I'm back. Sorry about the little detour. Look at this chop on the 1 minute. It's really, really, really choppy. Thank you. Hope you guys had a good time. So slowly grinding up there. I think it wants to sweep the 187 was the high of today. Yeah, might want to sweep that. It might want to sweep that level. you almost full ported. All right. Ollie, don't do anything crazy. So, it's going higher, but the volume is extremely low. I was expecting more from the London Open here. What's the range since 9 a.m.? Well, 25 points is not too much. I'm still looking for a shift to the downside. I like to see that. So so nothing right now. It's just sideways movement. Sideways movement. Okay. Okay. Well, let me see. Okay. Is this gonna go or what? You're stuck in a cell? I'm back. Yeah, I'm back, Green. Now I like this here. I do like this opportunity to go short. With 4 micros, maybe I can do that. I might gonna go short here. How about that? How about that? Or maybe not. But I did anyway. I went short. Maybe I shouldn't have. It's an aggressive entry on an evaluation account. A very small fair value gap here after going higher, but it still didn't pick the high there, so that's why it's just a small position. I think it can still grind higher. Small shift here. It doesn't look good. It doesn't look good. I was actually waiting for some kind of a sweep of liquidity here, and I did like the displacement move here, but now I just don't really like it. It's terrible. Terrible entry. Terrible short. No, don't worry, Gabriel. Don't worry. It's gonna be okay. We're gonna do it together as a team. Oh, it's going higher. Bowser! Yo, good to see you, man. Oh, yeah. Okay, thank you so much. I wanted to visit San Diego anyways, so I think it's a deal. Why not? My entry is very bad. I missed my. I was actually anyway very bad entry. Missed it by at least 5 points, which means a lot in London. But I do like the flat candle down there, and we have some more liquidity. If it starts to go lower, it's okay. But you know, we'll see. We shall see. Sounds like yeah. Good excuse. All right. And I also want to visit some good restaurants in San Diego, just saying, but I won't have money for it, so you have to pay. I want to eat some good San Diegian food. I don't know how to say that. You know, San Diego, as in Anchorman, they said San Diegians. San Diego and San Diego, San, you know. Okay, I'm count me in. I'm going. I'm definitely going. I knock on the door. Yeah. But risk off. Yeah, could be. It was an aggressive entry here, that's for sure. It was an aggressive entry. Dex short. You guys are short on Dex. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, I just received my new pro account from Take Profit Trader. Here it is. Brand new pro account. So now 2 funded accounts. I'm super glad about it. Let's go. Short 173. All right. I really want this one to go lower. So let's go. For the stream. Do it for the stream, man. Oh man, I just got denied on Apex. I got denied for the payout on Apex. Yeah. Unfortunate. Unfortunately, after review, we are not able to approve the request at this time. Your payout was denied for the following reason: a 30% rule, windfall gamble. The problem is with that, and I don't really want to brag about it, but I mean, I was carefully trading this account, making sure that none of my trades exceed. I did have 2 or 3 bigger moves that were down almost $700 in drawdown, and I had my stop loss at 750, and it seems like something is, I don't know, I have to upload my data to TradeZilla or somewhere just to check the drawdown, because I clearly remember that I always put a stop loss to $750 even if I was scalping, and it happened. I was scalping with 1 or 2 minis, and I remember having a trade slipping down to a few $100s. But I do know that I had my stop loss at $750. And so I made it to $2,600 and 26 and 17. $2,617, and I got denied. So that's a little bit interesting, because I clearly know that I took every safety measure to watch out for the 30%. Interesting. I wasn't even flipping. Maybe I flipped one single day, but I had multiple days, at least I don't know, like 6 out of the 8 days. I mean, all my days I was making above a few $100s on that. You wouldn't deny babyface. Yeah. Morning casual. So that's the only explanation they have. Here's the email right now. Here's the email. Unfortunately, 30% rule, windfall gamble. I don't know. But obviously, I'm going to keep on trading. So, I know I'm going to reach that payout. This is the account, by the way. No, not this. This one. And today, I also made $2 just to make sure that everything is on. But this is the account. 2,617. I just requested $517. Got denied. It's because of the 30%. But I know that's the thing, you know, Casual. I am 100% sure. I was very careful about that. I was extremely careful. I always choose my stop loss, the hard stop, even when I was scalping, and that particularly happened, by the way. The maximum stop loss, including commission, is never more than $750. I can go up to 700. What is the 30%? 780. I can go to 780. Even if I go with 2,500, that's 750. But I know in this case, I had 2 trades that were down $700, but it got back, so it went back. It didn't reach the 750. It did not reach the 750. That's for sure. Anyway, I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, McLovin, I totally get it, and I, as you can see, I'm also seeing the stuff happening. But I also see a lot of people got approved and get the payouts. So Martin thinking to move to personal account. Yeah. Actually, I'm also, by the way, and this is a little sneak peek. I'm also going to trade personal funds, not too much, $1,500 or $2,000. But that's all I'm gonna say. It's not gonna, and it might not gonna be at futures. I might not gonna do it at futures. I'm still thinking. But I'm pretty much, I think I'm going to focus a little bit on a personal account as well. $1,500 or $2,000 is the money I'm thinking to put in there. And obviously the goal is not to make $1,000 a day or whatever. If I can just make $200 or $300 or even just $100 by the end of the month, I would consider that a successful month. So, because I think I need to build up more confidence on a personal account. I think I just need to do that. Who knows what's going to happen with the prop firm space in this year? You know, regulations, everything's going to come around, and I really need to, you know, make some kind of an income if everything, you know, goes sideways, and I really need to focus on building personal capital. So that is a decision I made. I'm just only thinking which company should I go with. I'm not 100% sure it's going to be futures, but we'll see. Maybe it's going to be futures. I mean, 80% that is going to be futures. There's a 20% chance that it could be CFD brokerage. I don't know. But most likely it's going to be futures. Got stopped out, Natasha. Oh. Sorry to hear that. Yeah, it's typical in these hours. Then you take a loss and next trade has less drawdown. Not, oh, so you have to do the math again. Yeah, that's true. Yeah. That's true. On your AMP account, no payout windows, no rules. Exactly. To be precise, an email for, yeah, something like that. Yeah, MyFundedFutures, top step, absolutely. And as I said, Take Profit Trader is pretty much doing what they say, which is not asking questions. So hands down to Take Profit Trader so far. Absolutely awesome. Yeah, exactly. Isham, good morning. Good morning. Okay, so now we have a possible displacement here. We have a displacement. Did we close below this? It was not a close. Okay. It was not a close. Maybe I can take it though. If I would like to enter here, stop loss right there. Can I go in with 4 micros? I think I can. And do I have an account that I can go with? Maybe. I'm putting a sell limit at 59, 159. Yeah, 159 I'm putting on a sell limit. And we'll see it from there. So just in this gap, because it was a proper little fair value gap here. Maybe not the most perfect shift, I know. But I have my limit sell order. Stop loss is somewhere here at 174.25. We'll see. Yeah, I'm only entering if it's gonna be like real slopey one down here and slowly goes back. I'm gonna delete my limit order. If it goes back fast, but it's not gonna. Look at that. Then I'm deleting my limit short. Let me show you guys. So that's my limit sell order. If it gets back into the gap, maybe. And this is gonna be actually on a funded account. Oh my god, it's gonna be on a funded account. Risking about $90 on this. And I'm willing to let it go up until 75-ish, I think. I'm gonna move it to 75. And otherwise, and take for a trader if you are able to trade up until the last minute of the US market close with them as some preference. Yeah, so you are able to trade with them until 4:59 4:59 p.m. Eastern Standard. So yeah. This is on a funded account. Not looking that good. It might gonna go higher to reprice this small void right there. Maybe to wick it up there. Oh man, but I don't really want it to go further. That's it. I don't really want to see it go further. I want to see this actually go down, but man, it's giving a hard time, it seems like. I'm not gonna move my stop. Yeah, no problem, Isham. For short 302. Yeah, I'm afraid it might gonna go higher. Yeah, almost out. Oh man. I really thought that this is gonna be a nice displacement. I cannot go with a wider stop. I feel like I just don't want to go with the wider stop. There's nothing on the 5 and the 15. And that's why I was just risking like $90 on this. Because I thought it could be a good continuation after sweeping some of these levels. At least to see a proper drop. It's not doing it. It's just not doing it. I might be offside here. Actually, I think I am offside here. Oh, what is this? I need to close that. Yeah, it was a good run. It was a good one. Yeah, I'm out. Down on the brand new Apex account. $96 on the brand new funded account with Apex. Oh my god, I'm never gonna get through with this. This is, oh, look at that. Too much emotion. Too much emotion with this. Took my stop, and now who knows what's it gonna do. Bearish breaker. Well, it is, but it seems like it could fail. To me, it seems like it just wants to fail. Anyway, at least I tried. I love this flat candle down there. I thought it's gonna go down and take that as well. Maybe I had a tight stop. I'm not sure. Let's wait and see the pre-market open. But it seems like it wants to go higher. What was Asia high here? I mean, no, we have one high here. I think it wants to pop that level. It's at 88. How high can it go? To me, it seems like it wants to pop the highs up there. Okay. Let's wait. 4 a.m. expansion, you think so? Let's see. Let's see. For now, it's hovering here. Not much is happening. The macro should be kicking in about a minute. Marshall MMA, welcome. Good to see you. Yeah, 10 a.m. it could move. It could move. The question is it want to sweep higher or not? You know, that's the big question. Might have to wait. All right. Macro is kicking in about a few seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That doesn't mean anything is going to happen. Here we go. All right, so far nothing special. Have to wait for the market open. I mean, sorry, pre-market open. Dun, 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 dun. All right, not much is happening. Where's my calculator? Oh, here it is. Is this gonna move or what? We're stuck here. Nothing. The macro is not doing anything right now. There's just nothing right now. Not much is moving. Viox, hey there, good to see you. Yeah, 4 a.m. open will show us something. And the, well, we'll see that. Where is the distribution? Hopefully some movement will come around. I wonder if it wants to go down below the 45s here. There was that flat candle I was looking at down there. Not sure if that matters, but you know. Might want to sweep liquidity. It made a small structure shift on the 1 minute, but I'm a little bit scared to jump in because of the pre-market open. I might gonna have to wait a little bit more. The morning news at 8:30, so yeah, it could go. Yeah, of course, NFP day, everybody. Don't forget, I'm never forgetting it. It's NFP day. That's why we're doing all these crazy moves here. We might be just trading in the range in the rest of the session. So yeah, I'm not forgetting that. Oh yeah, we're stuck there. All right, all right. Well, 6 more minutes and nothing to do until then. I'm not going to take the trade on this gap. At least I don't want to. So I'm going to wait. Because, you know, anything can happen. Repricing higher into the gap. But I think it could go higher and maybe sweep some more orders. That's why I'm not, you know, this here, this entry is just inside of a in a range, so no liquidity has been swept. That's why I don't care about this entry too much. But it would be interesting to follow this. Let's wait. Should be popping higher to squeeze the shorts here. And we only left with a few minutes here for the pre-market open. Oh, only this one. Yeah, I mean, as far as I'm looking at the 5 minute as well. Yeah, we're just ranging. Hard to say. The 5 minute looks absolutely disgusting. I mean, no troll. This is absolutely disgusting on the 5 minute. Really? I mean, this is something we really... I shouldn't have taken that trade earlier. This is really something we shouldn't trade. I mean, yeah, this entry was technically valid, so that's true. But now, after this, yeah, way too choppy. Exactly. So, I was, you know, I wasn't even forcing this short right there. You chop yourself. Yeah, it's typical chop session. I should have, you know, it's enough to look at the 5 minute, really. This is just terrible. 15 minute. Jesus. Yeah. Look at this. Oh my god. The 15 minute. Look at the 15 minute candles. The absolutely hot mess. You really don't want to take a trade in this area. I did. So, what I did, I effed around and I found out.
That there is going to tell me how much I have to fuck around to find out what I need to find out. See, as you can see, the more you fuck around, the more you're going to find out. And also, if you stay down here and you never fuck around, you'll never find out. So I hope this lesson is helpful.
Right? So that's what happened. I effed around here, and I found out, right? That's how simple. That's how simple the equation. The more you F around, the more you... And, you know, I love this. This is like so true. I need to watch that again. I'm sorry. At least the last part of it, you know. No.
at a level of 7.
I want to find out the level of 7.
Level on my graph, and I come horizontally to my gradient line. Where it intersects with my gradient line, I'm going to come straight down to where it intersects with my fuck around line. That there is going to tell me how much I have to fuck around to find out what I need to find out. See, as you can see, the more you fuck around, the more you're going to find out.
Exactly. So I just found this out. Here we go. All right. Ba-da-dum, ba-da-dum. Ba-da-dum, ba-da-dum. Ba-da-dum. Are we going higher? I don't want to jump into a trade. Hey, Flushy. The best to wake up and see Thumbstream. All right. Richard, good to see you. Well, I effed around too much in a short here, and I found out what happens when I get here. So the FAFO rule actually got me. Need to run right for confirmation. Yeah, I'm not gonna jump in here. Reza, hey Reza, good to see you, my friend. What's going on? What is going on, Reza? How is business? How is trading? How is everything? And Venom is here. Hello. Good to see you, man. Good to see you guys. So I went into a short here, and I found out that it's not good. Yeah, it's nasty. That's for sure, Niglet. Yeah, NFP day. So no surprise here. And the market open, I mean the pre-market open is actually pushing it. Look at that. And so the only logical area right now is maybe to push it to Asia high, which is 25 points higher. I don't know if I want to jump in. This is just not the type of entry I'm looking for. So I'm not going to take this long entry. 100%. Oh yeah, I saw that. I saw Venom. The thing is, I kind of think, and I was reading some Sage Trades comments as well on Twitter about this. I think this is gonna stop. This is gonna end. Maybe this year. I think these affiliate things with these prop firms. I think this is gonna end, and I'm also have to think about it real seriously, because I think these affiliate things are absolutely gonna be deleted from these prop firms. No trades for you? That's relaxing, yeah. It's on his, he actually posted it out on Twitter. Let me find it for you. He actually posted yesterday on his Twitter account. If he didn't delete it, that from yesterday. Yeah, here it is. So he made $15,000 in one day. The other day he made $28,000, and he made $26,000 and $19,000, $5,000 one single day. This is not a month or a year. This is one day, only from Apex. Only from Apex, just one prop firm. Now this is gonna get stopped by the authorities or whatever. So as soon as prop firms are gonna get regulated, this is gonna end. This is gonna end. It's not gonna stay. Yeah, cookies, and he's using Facebook advertisement, which is confirmed. Facebook advertisement and all that stuff. So he's actually paying a marketing company to place ads all around, and he's using lots of ads. I mean, he's clever, very, very clever, but he's the biggest one, obviously. So I don't think there's anyone else who's making this amount of money from affiliate marketing like him from prop firms. But exactly, this is one of the reasons why regulators, I think they're gonna cut these affiliate stuff with the prop firms. Because why? We were talking about this yesterday with someone on Discord. Because the conflict of interest, if you really think about it, just think about it, conflict of interest, you know? Try to think about it really. There is a conflict of interest for someone receiving affiliate commissions from prop firms. Patrick Wieland. Too many dudes on lives claiming profits and ends up being just affiliate shit. Yeah. They're paying out a lot of money for affiliate commissions. Unfortunately for me as well. I'm not making not even a portion of this, not even a tiny little dust portion of this money, but he's really smart. He's very smart, yeah. Don't know if they long trade because they made back, yeah. How much I make every month? A few $1,000s, I can say that. I don't really want to go to exact numbers, not because I don't really want to share. I can tell you guys that in the past couple of months, I averaged above $5,000 in sales. You have to count down the tax, which is 25 to 30%, which I pay from my small company formation. 25 to 30% tax. I pay rent. I have a mortgage as well. I'm not mortgage. I have a loan to pay. I have expenses, and I also like buy evaluation accounts and stuff. So I'm not saying I'm swimming in money or anything. In the past couple of months, that was my average. I had better months last year, and I saved up money and I bought the car, the BMW. But I'm, you know, hard work pays out, yeah. And so I couldn't do this. I told you guys many times, and I'm super grateful. I couldn't do this from trading payouts, unfortunately. Not yet. I'm not there yet. So without the affiliate commissions, I couldn't be here full time. So maybe last year I know I heard back I'm shilling these prop firms too hard, but I'm trying to, you know, do that less often. But if anytime you guys are using my code, I appreciate it very much. So I couldn't do that. without that. Yeah. So I make $200 on average from YouTube ad revenue. $200 from YouTube on average. And I make a couple of $1,000s from affiliate marketing. So think about that. That's how this business, the whole business model for being an affiliate, no, in a month. But I do pay tax. So I'm going to tell you right now, let's just, let me break it down to you how I spend my affiliate commission. Okay? So let's go with $5,000 a month. Jesus, what just happened? All right. Sorry. I pushed the wrong button here. So I pay about, after taxes, this is what I left with. Living expenses and stuff and everything, including rent and stuff, for me is about $1,500. Left with $2,250, and I spend on average this year, especially, I spend on average about $1,000 on activation fees and evaluation accounts. Yeah, I suck in trading. And I left with about $1,200, $1,500 for a month. That's it. I can make a living from it. I'm super happy about it. But obviously, I have to prepare myself to be a better trader, whatever I do, because I just need to get better. So, but I know streamers, I'm not going to name them, who are making 20, 40, 50K per month. How many people? It depends, Plushy. It depends on which prop firm, how many accounts, what is the promo. Depends on your following, how many subscribers, viewers. It depends on a lot of factors. I can't really say an exact number. Hey, Balaj. Hello. I'm good. That's all that matters. Exactly. Usually the prop firms are giving 10 to 12% maximum fee. Take profit trader if you are on the diamond level. If you're making a huge, like if you're selling above, I think it's $15,000 worth of accounts, then you can get to the diamond level, and then you can make 25%. But on the most of these prop firms give you 10, 12. MyFundedFutures gives you 12%, and the others are usually giving you 10 or 8%. So yeah, Top Step was giving 20% until they were pushing the affiliate program. Yeah, no problem. I mean, it's I'm a little bit, to be honest with you guys, I'm really gonna, what I'm gonna say right now is absolutely, it's not because I'm greedy or anything. I've been broke. I told you guys I've been broke after the COVID, and when I started streaming, I was extremely broke. I really had just a little bit of money, barely. And in the past 2 years, I made, I think, quite a good progress with payouts and prop firms, and I know that I got better in trading. But, and here comes the real honest part, I don't know what I would have done without the affiliate commissions. So that's it. Without the affiliate commissions, I could not have done it the way I did it in the past, for example, 2 years. And that is a little bit worries me. And I don't care. You can say what you want. Oh, look at this pump here. Because if, for example, from tomorrow, the regulators would say no more affiliate commissions, then I would be in a bit of a trouble. I might have to go back to work for a company or whatever full time, because I just cannot make a full-time living from trading. But I told you guys that many times. I take a couple of payouts here and there, but that's just not enough to, not consistent, not that amount of, obviously the goal is to get there in payouts. For this year, I think it's absolutely realistic to average around $8,000 to $10,000 this year, but at least by the end of summer or end of the year, from only trading. I would like to achieve that, but I could not have done it without the affiliates. So I said many times I'm very grateful, and I will be as long as it lasts. So, but you just cannot rely on this. By the way, that's true, Wyox. So yeah, that's true. It seems easy that I sit down but trust me, sometimes I do have my personal issues and troubles and stuff, which sometimes makes it a little bit harder to be here or to focus or to always be in a good mood, you know, even when I was not, because there was many times or cases when I had lots of things going on, and I was here, and I'm always here as much as I can, and try to hide my troubles on the screen, but I do have things going on. So obviously that also. I like Tradeify, Venom. I think they're cool. Yeah, I think that Tradeify is cool. They don't give me a custom code. I wish I could have a custom code with them. I always told you, if you want to go Tradeify, click on my link and use the actual monthly code, which is MAR for March. The text and pass it to customers. Well, maybe. Yeah, the OnlyFans income is a secondary income. Maybe I have to push it harder. I think. If you get 2K by affiliates and you get 12%, so you made the prop firm like, yeah, something like that. Yeah, something like that, Flushy, yeah. No problem, huge guy. I mean, I like to be here. I'm passionate about trading. It just worries me that, you know, the problem right now with my business model, and I'm talking real honest right now, cards out the table. I consider this YouTube as a business because this is my full-time business right now. I'm trying to build up my channel. That's why I said I want to make more vlog videos, educational content, informative content, you know, not just fun stuff, but, you know, stuff like I also want to push the ad revenue with YouTube because I think it's a great business. So it just worries me that the problem is I'm too much relying on affiliate commissions right now, and that's an issue. That's something I need to change. I already have my plans, by the way, so don't worry. I have plans. I have ideas, which direction to go, which I don't want to talk about right now. I'm gonna do a video about this, by the way, because relying on heavily on affiliate commissions is not something I want to do. It's not a good you can't plan the future with it. With just one single, you know, strike, regulators or prop firms can delete all their affiliates with just one single day. So if anyone who is relying heavily, including myself as of today, heavily on affiliate commissions is in trouble. Because this affiliate stuff can end any day. This is my opinion, and I do think it's going to end very soon. Because if you saw the numbers with Patrick Wieland, the regulators, the prop firms, they don't want to pay this kind of money, and they don't. It's a conflict of interest. You're basically, you can say it as whatever, however you want it. The affiliates are shilling prop firm codes, while prop firms are making money from failed accounts. And including myself, I'm sharing educational information, obviously not financial advice, on YouTube, like other streamers, trying to educate and share positive information how you can trade the markets, but in the same time, I'm also advertising these prop firms which are making money from the failed accounts. It's absolutely a conflict of interest, and I was reading about it somewhere that this is not something that the regulators are gonna like. So TopStep, partially, this is why TopStep partially deleted their affiliate program. That is why Tradeify is not accepting more affiliates. Just saying, Tradeify is not accepting more affiliates, only partners now, because they know that the regulators don't want the affiliate payouts, because it's a huge conflict of interest. So, for example, like Patrick Wieland obviously makes a huge chunk. That's going to end, in my opinion, and for me too. So I really have to steer this to, like, in a bit of a different direction. It's not good to rely on affiliate commissions, trust me, because whenever I see a prop firm go down, or I read about regulations, it's not good, because I know that I'm not in a good spot here. Especially when a prop firm goes down, like Profit Trade went down, Fast Track Trading went down, and obviously I had codes with them, and it's not good, man. It's not good. This is gonna change sooner or later, and yeah. Anyway, let me read the chat. Yeah, no problem, Mr. Chabelka. Yeah, you have to work with it, Flashy. Yeah. All right, thank you, Martin. Give a hint. I have no idea. I want to go short here, but I feel like that buy side liquidity might gonna get taken. If you go to the which one is that? 15-minute. That's a 15-minute fair value gap up there. So 15-minute fair value gap. So wouldn't be surprised on one more push. How far is that? 17 points. It's gonna make it. I'm not gonna jump into a short here. Hey, thank you, Bad Mouse. Thank you so much. TikTok videos are good too. Exactly, Viox. My biggest goal for this year, it's not just profit wise right now. Consistency. I need to find my consistency in trading. And it's not gonna happen like if I purchase 20 funded accounts or whatever. If I can be consistent with like 3 funded accounts by rotating them, 3 to 5 funded accounts, that is gonna be an absolute positive step for me. So yeah, TikTok videos, yeah, absolutely. Oh, I read that already. Lagarde in 10 minutes. All right, let's watch that. Actually, I'm not. Actually, I don't really think I want to take a trade here. Because, you know, it's just not that kind of session right now. I'm gonna buy some Apex accounts, maybe, for later. Okay, let's see if this is gonna be a shift. I don't think so. It's not a clean shift here. Okay, now it's going lower. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't think I'm gonna take more trades. I lost this one on a funded account down here. I don't know. I'm not gonna push it. I just don't like it. Yeah, this session is done for me as well. I'll be back for a New York session, so I'm not gonna force anything here. But I'll be back for New York session. I'm not gonna trade the NFP report at 8:30. No way. Be careful with that if you're doing it. I think the AM session is gonna be interesting. So let's protect the accounts and the capital, right? If you guys made profit, awesome. If you are in a small loss, maybe like I am with a negative $100 on a funded account, it's okay. But anyway, thank you so much for watching and everything. If you would like to support the stream, until I'm so heavily relying on affiliate commissions, help me out to use the code. Appreciate it very much. The same code TomSabo goes everywhere for the best available discount or reset. You can try it out, except Tradeify. If you would like to go with Tradeify, please use my link in the description or in the chat. Click on it and use the actual monthly code, which is MAR. You can go check out my blog at pip.ninja or tomsabo.biz about the latest article about Take Profit Trader. That's it. Thank you so much. I'll be back for the New York session. All right. Have a good one. And mostly, God bless you all. All right. Cheers, everybody. Oh, I forgot to start my soundboard. Cheers, everyone.